So I was coming back from a walk and I found this pretty blue jay feather, and I was reading about it, and it says that it's a message of hope from a loved one to those in need of a positive perspective in the right direction. So thank you, nature, the nature gods, and Jesus for sending me this message. I also was reading that the North American birds that you can't, it's illegal unless you have a permit to keep these feathers. So I'm gonna let it go in the nature. Well, that didn't go far, but but I'll go put it back over into the woods. Pretty cool, right?